To make this korma, in a grinder jar add grated coconut, cashews, ginger, garlic, chilies, onions, fennel seeds, coriander powder, turmeric powder, curry and cilantro leaves, along with water to grind this into a fine paste. Next, heat some vegetable oil in a heavy bottom pan and saute cardamom, cloves and cinnamon until fragrant. To this, add in sliced onions and a pinch of salt. Add potatoes and your choice of chopped veggies along with enough water to cover the vegetables. Season with salt and cook it until it's fully done. Mash the cooked vegetables with the back of wooden spoon. Now add the grinded mixture along with some water, and to this add in frozen green peas and cook this on low heat for another 5 minutes. Add yogurt and cook for another minute or two. That's it. Take the korma off heat and garnish with chopped cilantro leaves. Enjoy this with puri, appam or roti.